How to turn on or turn off protect your tweets on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the protect your tweets option on Twitter. First thing, go to Twitter, go to the top here and click on your profile picture, and then go down, go to settings and privacy. Now choose the privacy and safety option. It's the fourth one. Click on it like this, and now go to audience and tagging right here, and now you will find the protect your tweets option. You can enable it or disable it as you want. So it's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.